Features of human resource management. 1. Continuous function/process. Human resource management is a continuous and never-ending process. It cannot be practiced only 1 hour each day or 1 day each week. It is concerned not only with present but also with future. It ensures continuous commitment of employees. HRM activities start from the moment an organization is formed and continue throughout its lifespan. 2. Dynamic function. Human resource management (HRM) is a dynamic field/work continuously developing to adapt to changes in the business environment and workforce expectations. Changes in hours should be made during organizational restructuring, company mergers, changes in laws, changes in technology, and changes in industry trends. HRM is not a static concept. It is also affected by internal environment like human resource policies, goals of the organization, structure, etc. It is also affected by external environment. 3. Pervasive function. Human resource management (HRM) is a pervasive function of management. It is not confined/limited to a single department but permeates all aspects of an organization's operations. This means that all managers, at all levels, are involved in HRM activities to some extent. It is essential in all organizations. It works all the functional areas. For example, production, marketing, finance, research, etc. People lies with the operating executives. HRM is involved in all stages of the employee life cycle. From recruitment and selection to performance appraisal and retirement, HRM activities are involved in all aspects of an employee's time with an organization. 4. Concerned with people/human, it relates to human aspects. It manages different people like workers, supervisors, and departmental heads and managers. HRM is the process of managing people of an organization with a human approach. It means employing people, developing these resources, utilizing, maintaining and compensating their services to the job and organizational requirement. It is concerned with human aspects. Mainly it develops and utilizes human potential. 5. Mutually oriented HRM ensures commitment of employees. It promotes mutuality between employers and employees in terms of mutual objectives, mutual influence, mutual respect, mutual rewards, and mutual responsibilities. It focuses on teamwork. 6. System-oriented HRM is a system of input, processing, and output. It utilizes the input, process it, and also provide output. Therefore, human resource management is the combination of input, processing, and output, which is considered as a system.